Here we go, y'all. We just closed on this house in Port St. Lucie, Florida. It was a long process. If you want to know what builder I use, just drop me an email. I'm gonna keep on uploading these videos as I take you through the process of us just working on this house. We're gonna take our time to get it right. Okay, so as you can see, everything is done and stuff like that. I'm gonna take you through the process where we're going to be putting tile. We're going to be picking up this carpet, and it's going to be all this is going to be tile right there in the living room and stuff like that. When you walk here in the hallway, we're going to have tile alongside the hallway. But we're gonna leave the rooms. Carpet. I'm gonna cut off right there. So just stay tuned for that process. We're gonna have in this room right here. We're gonna turn this into an office. So I might just put tile in here also. But my kids' room, we're gonna keep that carpet. You got a bathroom over here, right there. Little bathroom. We got a big space over here for the AC and stuff like that. You know, let's go. So over here we have another room. This room right here is gonna be for my son. We're going to keep this room carpet. We're gonna have carpet in this room right here. So as you can see, we got a lot of work to do. Let's go right here. We have the Jack and Jill bathroom over here. Over here, I got my daughter's room over here. We're gonna keep her room carpet. So as you can see, this is the third house that I'm closing on, but this one just feels different. It feels different whenever you build your house from scratch. It's just a different feeling, you know. As you can see over there, we're going to be doing some work over there also. We're going to be upgrading those cabinets. We're going to be upgrading it, probably extending it a little bit more. As you look at the island, we have a big island over there. That was one of the features I like the best out of this model. So we're going to be upgrading it. Definitely taking the carpet out of the dining room over there. Cannot have carpet in the dining room. This particular builder is carpet friendly. They even got carpet in the kitchen. That's kind of weird. But yeah, as you can see, let's take a walk to the back real quick. Big backyard, people. We got a lot of space over here. Open this door. As you can see, my grass is trying to get there. You know, this is new grass. We got to keep watering it and watering it and watering it. I got True Nolan. They coming out to spray it and stuff like that. So we're gonna keep on watering it. Of course, for all you guys know, I'm from the island, so you know it's gonna be some mango trees in here, some ackee trees and stuff like that. But this is what I like about the house. We got a big patio area right here. So when I'm having have my grill out, have my friends over, nice little area to chill right there. Right? So let's close this door right here. And I'm gonna show you guys some major work that we're going to be doing. to this house. We're gonna do some work to this house, guys. We're not just gonna take it as is, you know. One of the beauty about it is that we have time. So as you look in this house, right? As you look in this house right now, one of the issues is that you don't see no closet, right? So the closet is actually, the door of the closet is actually inside the bathroom, right? So one of the major work that I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated, is we're actually going to reconstruct this, and we're gonna have the door coming out that side, right? Let me show you guys the way the closet is right now. As you can see, we got the shower over there, and we got the bathtub right there. And inside that little room right there, that's where we handle our business. Probably put a door on there, but this is what I'm talking about. This is the closet right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually close this off, but we're gonna extend the wall like right here, and then we're gonna extend this, and we're gonna connect it right there, and we're gonna have the door coming out the other side. And that, what's that gonna do? That's gonna give us more closet space. We're gonna have way more closet space for this walk-in closet. So just picture this door closed, and we just have more extended space over there. So that's something we're also going to be doing also. So you guys just stay tuned. Remember, if you guys need any information of the builder, or if you need any realtor for anywhere, any place in Florida, just let me know. I am a licensed Keller Williams realtor, so more than happy to help you guys. But I'm just showing you guys what we got going on here at Port St. Lucie, Florida. As you can see, we don't have no blinds up right now. We just closed on this house today. We don't have nothing, like absolutely nothing. We don't have a fridge. So every day we do something. Every time we do something, we're just gonna show you guys what we done. And so stay tuned for these vlogs right here. Somebody just rang my doorbell. I got it. So stay tuned, guys.